What you can also do inside of Google Sites is embed out different web pages as well. So to do that, you can go around over here and you can see embed option is here. So if I were to go around and click, you can see that I can enter out a URL that I want to embed. So I'm just going to go around right here, type in http:// and then I'm going to type in www.youtube.com and /tutube right here. So this is going to be the embedding right here, and you can see a preview over here by URL as well. You can see the preview and you can click on insert and you can see that it has been embedded right here. So you can see that there's the details as well. So you can go around, resize it according to how you want. And now what has happened is that you can see the details right here, and then it has been embedded onto your website. So if I were to go around, not publish, but if I were to go around onto preview right here, you can see the details right here. Let me just go out right here. And if I were to go around onto embed and type in www.google.com right here, and you can see that it actually won't embed this because of the website right here. So I'm just going to go around right here and type in something else. So www.wikipedia.com right here. So let me just go around and you can see that there you go, the whole page is here. So let me click insert and you can see that it has been embedded right here. So now you can go around and then let's say for example you can resize this according to how you want it. You can pull this out, and if I were to go around onto preview, you can see that unlike the YouTube embedding, you can see that now I have the scroll bar right here, and there's a mini browser over here on my website with the contents of that particular website. So that is how you can embed out web pages inside of Google Sites. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.